You know, guys, these are the things that I want to talk about to those local platforms that we're using, that we're sharing about a lot of things, no? Na yung experience ng users sa kanila. Number one, is spreads are too high. Syempre, malayo yung pagitan ng bid and ask. And then, number two, bukod doon, na hindi gaano ka-efficient mag-trade is that yung talagang platform itself, yung interface when you reach that into that particular site or in-app ay medyo nagloloko pag ikaw ay magbebenta or ikaw ay bibili, ano? And medyo nasasawalang bagay nito yung liquidity, no, in a sense na you cannot be able to sell or to buy or to liquidate your assets, your holdings. So kaya mas okay kung mas pa-improvein pa yung kanilang sistema, yung kanilang system, and also support. So yun lamang po, the Estudyante Trader here. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo?